today I'll be unboxing this, and I'm gonna show you how it looked like, and I'm gonna let you know what I think about this product. So, first card. This is the extended warranty card. So now we're gonna open. I'm gonna show you the features. It's logo here. Here is washing instruction. It's in here. It's a nice pocket front here, and insulated pockets. There's also pockets on the side for baby wipes. There's a little pocket here where you can have access for inside. Another pocket for baby bottles and stuff like that. This is for the USB. This pocket at the back for wallet. I'll use that for wallet. Alright, notched here. It's a two-way zipper. Inside, it's very roomy. Another pocket, and this is the pocket inside. Not connected to the outside pocket. Yeah, there's another pocket here. Lots of pockets, compartments. Guess for this key, or you have important house key, or anything that you want not separated, or you don't want it lost. Here, another pocket on the other side. It's also not connected to the other pocket, and it's like waterproof. Here, even if you feel like something liquid inside, you will just wipe it dry, maybe with a towel. And yeah, and there's a USB cord here. If you have like cell phone battery pack or bottle warmer for your formula or for breast milk. And yeah, it's all already attached here. You can attach your charger here. And yep, it's very roomy. The size is decent. You could have a lot of stuff here. You put like snacks, changing clothes, diapers. It's like a mommy bag. I'm a mom of 3, so you could use this space. So that's about it. Really nice bag. I like the texture. So yeah, for more information about this product, I'm gonna link below where you can find this bag and the rest of their products. And I'm gonna attach also there the code. When you use a code, you will have a discount when you buy this product. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.